Welcome back to Code Rebel. This is video we are diving into a coding problem of a lead code problem. Modify the matrices. This is a problem. This is a problem of a lead code, and this problem is a part of ongoing coding contest, and we are going to its breakdown step by step. So grab up your coding career and let's get started this challenge together. So this is our problem statement. Given a zero indexes m into n integer matrix called answer, make answer equal to matrix and replace each element with the value of -1 and with the return here and the maximum element its return respective column return the matrix element here matrix answers. So let's move ahead. So explanation of this problem. In this problem we are given a matrices of a integer where some elements are marked as a -1. Let's see here. This is a problem and we are given a matrix of integers, a new matrix. Our task is create a new matrix. Task a new matrix. And call the answer. Initially, set equals to given a matrix. The catch is we need to replace a -1. We need replace a -1. Replace -1. Replace -1. The answer matrix with the maximum element. So our answer is answer matrix. Throw an example to grab their concept here. So we have here example number 1. Consider the matrix of input matrix 1, 2 and -1. Here 4, -1 and 6. Here 7, 8, 9. And this is our matrix. First of all, the elements given in a blue will undergo modification. Means this one and this one. These are the columns are elements will undergo a modification. The value in cell 1 1 replace the maximum value of a column 1. Means in this cell 1 1 maximum value of column 1. These are the maximum value of a column 1. Max column. Which the final modification matrix will be 3 2 5 2. This is our final matrices. So how to solve this approach? How to solve this approach? First, draw the initial matrices. Draw initial matrix. So let's create a matrix 1, 2, -1. Here 4, -1 and 6. Here 7, 8, 9. Draw the initial matrix. Highlight the element marked is below. Means here we have color change. And these one and these one. And these two elements highlight element marked as green. Here we have choose here green. Explain the modification process. The value of a 10, the value of a cell. This is number one. This two step, and this is a step three. The value cell 1 1 is replace the maximum value in column 1. Is replace maximum value of column 1. Maximum max value of column 1, which is the value of a 0 to column cell. The value of a 0 to is replaced max column 2, which is 2, which is a 2. So our final modification. So here fourth point, final modification. So here our final modification in 3 2, and here 5 2, 1 2 9, and here 4 8 6, here 7 8 9, 8 and 9. This is our final modification here right now. 5 2. This is a matrix here. First we have initialize here and draw the matrix on a board like 3 1, and here and 5 and 2. So first step completed, and second step, highlight the element marked as a blue. Here is -1, here is 2. So we have marked the element as a highlighted. Explain the modification process. The value in cell 1 1 and is replaced for value of column 2, column 1, which replace 2. Write down the final modification here 3 2 and 5 2. So basically we have removed here -1. So we are focusing on the element marked as a blue, which represent that the -1 values that we can be replaced. Means we have replaced here -1, so we can here for modify the process, and which replace the column 1, and choose here for right max element, replace it. So our approach, we iterate iterate each column. So we iterate here each column. Second, find a max element. Find max element. A second, max element. Third, replace here -1. Replace -1 with the respective maximum value, with max value, with max value. Number 4, in respective max value. So here, iterate each column, find the max element, replace minus one, highlighted value, highlighted value, highlighted value, and to here with max value. So we have here the change. Let's this is implemented using code in C++. Let's do it here. Code implementation. Int R is a matrix size. C is equals to matrix dot size for and I is equals to 0. I is less than C. I plus plus. So here and max is equals to minus 1 for and j is equals to 0. J is less than R and we here j plus plus, and here if matrix j and matrix I is less greater than max, so we here max is equals to matrix ji, j and I. So for and j is equals to 0, it is less than R j plus plus. Here if matrix j I equals to minus 1, if matrix j and matrix I is equals to minus 1, we will repeat both two times. So here matrix j and matrix I is equals to max. So here and submit. Accepted.